Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate, and today I would like to announce that Donastar is hiring in a number of areas throughout the country. So I'd just like to share this information with you and let you take it from there. Hopefully, if this interests you, you'll reach out to the Donastar team. But what they're saying is I also posted this in the as a post on YouTube as well, and it has the link and everything in that post. But basically, what they're saying is we're excited to announce that we are looking to expand our service and inventory team at Donastar Enterprises. If you know, if you or you know of anyone, any good candidates in the areas below, please forward them the attached PDF, which you will find that link in the description below. And if you're interested, you can also email Patrick Kane. He is the director of the service network with Donastar, Service Network Quality Director. You can email him directly at patrick@donastar.com. That's patrick@donastar.com. And I'm going to go over some of the areas where they're looking to hire. Richmond, Virginia, the coverage would include the Mid-Atlantic, North and South regions. Trenton, New Jersey is another area. Coverage would include New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, D.C., Eastern Pennsylvania, New York City, and other parts of southern New York. Greenville, South Carolina is another area they're hiring in. That coverage area would include South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Tennessee. Louisville, Kentucky is another area they're hiring in. The coverage would include Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Madison, Wisconsin. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. The Louisville, Kentucky is the area they would be hiring in, and that coverage would include Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio. The other area is Madison, Wisconsin, where they're hiring in, and that coverage would include Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, and Iowa. And the service and inventory control manager job posting, that link is below. You can just hit that link, or again, you can go ahead and reach out to Patrick Kane, the director, at patrick@donastar.com. So let me just take a moment. I'll play this video for you, and hopefully you can hear it well.
Hi, my name is Patrick Kane, and I am a proud member of Donastar's A Team. What I enjoy the most is working alongside a group of consummate professionals that are committed to providing quality service, collaborating with a team, and supporting each other in every way. We're not just fixing equipment, we're helping businesses serve clean, high quality beverages. We are building leaders and bonds through knowledge and shared experiences. Being part of the A Team encourages me to be the best I am every day. I'm grateful for the hard work, the compassion, and the dedication that we all share to provide the best services and the highest quality drinks in the industry.
Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share this information with you. Again, everything will be the links for the job posting will be in the description. The link for Patrick Kane's email is going to be in the description area as well. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. Send it in comments, or you can send it to my email as well. But I thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.